Hi, everybody. This is Gary Demas, Ultimate Timing, and this is our technical video report for Tuesday, March 18th, 2025. So, the bulls are testing my patience here. I've been on the side of where we were going to. Let me go to the chart. Okay, so what I was looking for was that's the VIX. Okay, here we go. So what I was looking for is I was having a feeling we are going to get a little bit of a pullback, and right now, this is still say my preferred pattern right now is that this was our A. We're now making a B. Whether it needs to come down here to the 5560 level, and then make a wave a C up. So basically, it's a, and then we come down. Either we made it here, or we got to come down a little bit further. B. And then C. And the way that we measure this to figure out where's a potential price target, so let's just assume that today's lows were it. So basically, we'd be looking for a move to come someplace up into the 5,800 level, which is has been my upside target. Now, here's the problem with this, is that we've came pretty close to where I would be sweating this particular pattern, meaning that we came down. I put in the morning notes today that this 5600 was going to be an important level, and let me go back to where we were. Okay, so let's just say 5600. I said it's going to be from the 5620. Hang on one second. Okay, it's the 5610 down to the 5590. So this was going to be the area that if it broke below, I would be getting a little bit nervous, because really the next support is going to be this gap right here, which is, it's going to be right around that 5562 level. So this was it, because if they lose this, really, I mean, we have this support here that's between the 5550 and 5540. But if we, the thing is, if we take this out, typically they come down and they close the gap, which is all the way back down at the 5522, and the lows are 5504. So if we're going to come down and close this gap, I don't believe these are going to hold, and we're going to head to the downside, and then from there, honestly, we'd be probably looking at a move down to the 5400. Now, I'm sticking with the preferred pattern right now just until these important levels are taken out. But I mean, as far as if you remember, this is the chart I put up as far as timing, and 18th up until the 18th. So I mean, this matches it. So this is looking for a low coming into March 25th, which isn't that far around. It's only a week away. But in any case, I mean, I would like to see them bounce it up and maybe come back down, because if we're going to go down into this time period here, we're probably taking out these lows. So I would like to see it maybe it be an A, and then a B, and then a C, and then we come down and make another low right here, and then head up to the upside. So that's a possible scenario that we could run. But right now, like I said, we have the call wall right here. This was support. We have the pivot that's right below it at the 5590. So these are my important levels to hold. And again, if they lose it, here's the critical zone right here. It's gonna be from the 5564 down to the 5524. If this gets lost, then these are out, and really what we want to look for is the next support level, which is all the way down at 5392. We're still pretty oversold right now on momentum. That's one of the reasons why I've been looking for an ABC move, really to kill time, allow this to get into the overbought levels, let momentum move up. Now remember, I show you guys this all the time, where we have some type of bullish divergence, where you can see momentum is making a higher low as price is making a lower low. That's a bullish divergence. From there, you can see that we rallied up. We had the bearish divergences here. Hang on one second. Bear with me. Okay, so we had the bearish divergences here, rallied up, and from there it came back down. So for me, what would make the most sense to me is we come back up, come down, and then like this. So we're going to get these bullish divergences, and then from there, we'll see the S&P testing that 5,400 or possibly lower than that. But we're going to get proper sell buy signals on the daily charts. And what I've been saying is that come the end of April, May, let me take a look at the chart again that I was just showing. Okay, so really we're looking at the end of April, early May. This is going to be the bottom that you want to buy, and load up on the quantum stocks that I've been showing, because that's going to last some time into the fall, and most likely we're going to be testing or even breaking new all-time highs. So let everybody do the panicking right now. I'm not really too concerned. Like I said, if this level's taken out, then we're not coming up to the levels that I thought we were, and we're going to head down, which is fine. We just change hats and start shorting the market. It's a lot easier to make money with that because volatility is high. So it's going to be critical for tomorrow. We need to see the bulls get the S&P above the 56.24. If they do that, then we just have our regular resistance. Well, this is the resistance right here, the gap down, and that's at the 56.55. If the bulls can get above, say, this congestion zone, bare minimum, they're going to come up and close the gap 56.75, and most likely open the door for that move up to the 57.84, 5800 level. So let's just see what plays out tomorrow. Have a fantastic night, and I will talk to you guys in the morning.